to draw a turkey real easy, I'm going to start about here and I'm going to draw a shape like that, and I'm going to stop it at the bottom with a little curve, and this is our turkey's head. Okay, so I'm going to draw an eye there and an eye there, and I'm going to put an eyeball in the middle. Looks a bit surprised, doesn't he? Now, turkeys have very strange beaks, so we're going to put a little kind of triangle-y thing like that, and then we're going to put this great big wobbly thing like that, which is called a wattle. And then we'll just do a little feathery thing around his neck there, like a collar like that. And then we're going to do another kind of collar again around like that. And we can put little kind of feather lines in there. How are you doing? Okay. And then we need to draw his body. So we're going to draw the body coming all the way around like that. Great big round body. Yeah, I'm going to have to zoom out again a bit, I think. There we are. Let's get him all in. And then we'll draw the wings like that on that side and like that on that side. And then he has a kind of a stripy t-shirt down the front. It's not really a stripy t-shirt. They're the feathers. They look a bit stripy though, like that. And then we're going to draw the wing feathers in like that. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. And that's his body. Shall we give him some legs so he can stand up? So draw 2 little legs coming down like that. And then he has 3 claws. He has 4 actually, 1 at the back, but you can't see that. So go 1, 2, that goes down, and 3 to the side. 1 to the side, 1 goes down, and 1 to the other side, like that. Now, turkeys are all about their tails. They have enormous tails. So we're going to start off by drawing a semicircle all around his head like that. And then we're going to draw these little feather tips in like that. So this is just kind of a loopy, 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 loo, like that. And then we have to draw an even bigger thing around the top. So this is quite difficult. Okay, so watch what I'm doing. We'll start about there, and then we're going to go all the way around to the other side like that. I think I've got to go zoom out again a little bit more. And then you have to think of this like a cake, and we've got to cut it into slices. So we're going to do 1 there, and 1 there, and 1 there. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 slices. And I'm going to cut each one of these into 2 like that. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and 2 like that. And then we have to go loopy all around the outside. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 12 feathers, 12 great big feathers. And we can make them look more feathery by putting these little lines up the middle of each one like that. Those are like the shafts of the feather, the bit in the middle. You know what I mean. Then all you need to do is to colour it in, and that's how you draw a turkey. Thanks for watching and subscribing to Draw Stuff Real Easy so you can come back and do lots more drawing. Bye!